Jake, what do you think? Yeah. Jake took care of another one. Jake's a big accessory guy. He's selling a lot of vehicles and a lot of accessories with us, y'all. So reach out to Jake for all your vehicle needs. He's your boy. Antimatter Blue, 2022 F350 Platinum Diamond. I mean, this truck in the stock form, long bed, Platinum 350, especially right now, y'all. With the inventory shortages, this truck right now is bringing big money. But we took care of Mr. Josh in Everest edition fashion. This is actually our first ever Kelderman air ride suspension on a single wheel Super Duty. So he set the stage for it. So who's next? Who wants some of that action we got going on here in Winder, y'all? We're on the 5.6 Kelderman air ride lift. It's a money setup. You know, you've seen us do it so much on the F450s. We're at the ride height right now. It goes from ride height all the way up to 10 inches in articulation. The ride height in that 5 to 6 inch range. It's called a 5 to 6 inch because it does fluctuate based on the pitch and angle of your terrain. So that 5 to 6 inch mark is where it sits at, but it has a great stance to it. And you notice that mile to wild scale, we are very wild on our mile to wild scale. We're on 375s, which I love that width, and we're on 24s, y'all. We're on some 24 Fittipaldis, looking great. When we received these wheels, we just weren't really happy with the overall finish. So we did a little custom paint action, a little Kodiak and Iconic Silver mix on your paint makes the dream work right here. I love this wheel, has a great overall balance to it. 375, 40, 24, open country. If you didn't put a mud terrain on this, it wouldn't be what it needs to be. So I'm glad that he was cool with doing mud terrains. This is essentially right at a 36 inch tire by 15 wide. So if you see this tire and it's stretched out on a 375 width, you know you're rolling on 14 wide. So we're 24 by 14. And I got the Yeezys on today. So that's not really on the level of this wheel. I'm not really where I need to be, but I tried. But I mean, this is on a different level, y'all. So I want to show you, we are pitched down slightly. The front end overall elevation a little bit lower in the front, just for your reference, but I think it looks so money. And this is Antimatter Blue, and it's really hard to see the definition on this side, but it's such an underrated color. We incorporated that color on the side badges there, Antimatter Blue, and our custom color right there, and on the mirror cap as well. You can really see that color right there. The door handle's the same, looking great. Wrapped his running board black, as well as did the same color combo on the 6.7 Power Stroke logo there. Even on your Kelderman radius on, Raptor steering stabilizer. In the headlight, you'll see those same two color combos. And it's subtle, just like Antimatter. I mean, right here, you can see that Antimatter really showcasing all the glory right there. So Josh is a great guy from Charlottesville, Virginia. Drove down with his family today. Great people. That's the biggest part about it, y'all. The customers, we just love the customer interactions that we have. We got a Pace Edwards bed locker, power bed cover on the back, looking great. And like, you can't appreciate these taillights or the whole truck without being here. I'm sorry, you just can't see the detail, but you got Antimatter Blue on the border perimeter and a light smoke throughout, and then on the back, the Antimatter Blue with that custom paint. I shouldn't have told y'all that paint, actually. I probably shouldn't have told y'all what that paint was. Telling all our secrets here, y'all. Look at that mile to wild scale. I mean, we're negative 77, I believe, on the offset. So we mean business with this offset right here. Looking incredible. Out back, a full replacement on your Kelderman as well with the 4-link system. Good look at your bag and your Raptor shock for remote reservoir. On the inside, what you've seen and to expect from Ford, a big 12-inch touchscreen setting the stage, and a very plush and comfortable interior that the Platinum represents. True elegance. Got Caleb going over the lift components with Josh, and Josh is a great guy. He's been great to deal with from each aspect of it, from Chad on the accessory side to Jake on the sales side. Caleb's going over, like we'd love to have him do on these custom extensive builds, all the lift kit components and how the air ride suspension works in totality. That way, we're setting him up for success to take this thing back to Virginia and know how to operate it with confidence. We don't just want to, hey, throw the keys and see you later. Definitely, the customer service aspect of it to us is truly vital. So, got the interaction going on right there too, and it means everything to us, y'all. Kelderman lifted, single wheel, long bed. Yes. So another diamond right here at Akins and Wild Willies. Appreciate everyone so much. Hit Jake up for all your vehicle needs as well. Another diamond headed back to Virginia. Thank y'all for watching. Peace out.